Today I will present the third assignment, which is before the final project. So I would like to thank our professor Yusuf Sibalja and my classmates for this amazing class. I'm going to share with you how support vector machines or SVMs can predict customer behavior using banking data as a case study, which we went through from the beginning in the first assignment to the final in today project. I'll also compare SVMs to other models like random forest and tie this to my experience in restaurant management. So let's dive in. Banks wants to predict if customers will subscribe to term deposits, just like restaurants predict dining demand. Banks need accurate models to avoid missing opportunities. I tested SVM kernels, linear RBV, and polynomial against decision trees and random forest using metrics like accuracy and IUC. So I came up with the CVM results. Here's what stood out. Linear SVM had 99.3% recall, almost no false negatives, but struggled with complex patterns, AUC 0.78, while RBV kernels achieved the highest IUC 0.88, meaning is better separated yes and no customers. Polynomial kernel was meddling, decent, but not exceptional. The fun fact, tuning hypermeters barely improve performance. Sometimes defaults work just fine. So comparing to the other models which we did in second assignment, I see random forest stole the show. It had the best accuracy, 92.8%, and IUC 0.91. Even though SVM RBV was strong, random forest handled both linear and non-linear patterns better. Decision trees were interruptible but less powerful. Think of random forest as a team of experts voting, while SVM is a solo genius. Sometimes the team wins. In the real world applications, why does this matter? For banks, use random forest for targeted marketing. For restaurants, in my field as expertise, these models predict peak hours, menu favors, or even which customer might become regulars. As an example, high recall models ensure we never run out of salmon for lovers or meat, equivalent to banks not missing potential subscribes. To wrap up, random forest is my top pick, but SVMs, especially RBV, shine for complex data. The bigger lesson, these tools aren't just for banking, they are everywhere, from hospitals to hospitality. Thanks for listening, and I'm happy to take your questions.